Welcome to Voice.com. This is Noah, the CEO and the co-founder. So if you're looking for free reseller hosting, you're landed on the right video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase or grab free reseller hosting at Voice.com. Now at Voice.com, we are offering two type of reseller hosting. The first is actually in two categories. There are two type of categories at Voice.com in reseller and web hosting. The first is categorized in free and the second is categorized in premium. Okay. The both reseller hosting are hosted on the same server, but the resources and everything in this plan is different. So let's get started for today's video. Now before getting started in today's video, I just want to tell you that guys, that I'm starting a complete playlist. I've started a complete playlist in which I am trying to teach you how you can start a successful web hosting business. So if you are not familiar with my course, on the same channel you can go and search for our playlist. I'm trying to create as much videos I can, and at the end of these videos I will also go through every single step about marketing and everything, so you can scale up this business as your primary, or you can scale up this business at the next level. Okay, so let's get started. Now before that, I just want to tell you that for right now we have a Cyber Week sale live at Hoist.com. And if you go for our web hosting, we are starting at just $0.99. But in today's video, web hosting is not our topic. Let's go and check out our premium web hosting first. Okay, you can go check our premium reseller hosting at this option on the in the navigation tab. Just click on the reseller and you can go for our reseller master alpha reseller. Okay, we are offering domain name reseller and VPS reseller also, but these are not free. You have to deposit amount in both of, which is different for both of these programs. Okay, if you scroll down, we are offering 100 client account, 100 cPanel client account for just $9 per month. We are offering unlimited bandwidth, NVMe, unlimited email account, and one domain which is free. If you go for any reseller hosting provider, Enome, Namehero, Namecheap, any web hosting, or sorry, reseller hosting providers, you can find us that at Hoist.com. If we are offering free domain name. If you go for any of the reseller hosting provider, there is no free domain name with any of those reseller. But if you go for Hoist.com reseller hosting, now we are offering one free domain name with our reseller hosting. If you go for Checkingnode at WordPress or A2 hosting or any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering free domain name with their first plan. If still they are offering free domain name, they are starting about $50 to $60. Like Namehero is offering, but they are starting at about I think so $50 per month. Okay. But if you go for Hoist.com, we are offering free domain name for just $8.99 per month. Now, if you still go for 1 month subscription, like if you want to continue on monthly subscription based system, like if you want to go for only monthly basis, okay, you don't have the budget to continue for the yearly billing or 2 years billing, this price will be the same $9. Again, if you go for advanced agency or business plan, the price will be the same on monthly basis. If you will continue for the yearly or 2 year or 3 year structure, the payment structure, the domain name will be free for you. Okay. Now we are offering free cPanel, Lightspeed, SSL certificate, security suit. The data center is in Finland and 14 days money back guarantee with all of these plans. Now let's go for our free reseller hosting. Now if you go for free reseller, if you want to check out our free reseller hosting, you just need to go to our free tab and then free web hosting or free reseller hosting. Okay. Scroll a bit down and here you can find out our 4 plans. The first plan is totally for free. We are offering 10 client account, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited NVMe, unlimited email account, optimized WooCommerce. Now in the tier first plan, we are offering 10 client account. The bandwidth, NVMe, email accounts are unlimited. Now there is the same feature in both of these reseller plans, like WooCommerce is optimized, and I already told this feature in many of my videos that if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they charge you about $5 to $6 per month and an extra add-on for WP Toolkit. We are offering WP Toolkit for free. Okay. So if you want to offer your client a separate category of web hosting like WordPress hosting or WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them WooCommerce hosting also with this feature, because WP Toolkit actually is not free. Okay. Next is free. We are offering same with all the free plan. We are also offering cPanel account, Lightspeed server, Auto SSL certificates, free security suite, free website migration, and Finland data center. Okay. Now this is our totally free plan, and this is the second tier plan, which is just $2.19 per month. We are offering 30 client account. If you sell this 10 client account, you can continue with this plan, which is just $2.19, and we are offering 30 client account. Okay. All the other features are unlimited again, and if you want to continue directly for the third plan, my suggestion for you all guys is to at least continue with the third plan, tier 3 plan, because it comes with 60 client account. And the best option about here with the free plan is this: it comes up with the premium customer support. Okay, If you go for any of these plan, these actually doesn't come with premium customer support. We still offer free customer support with these plan, but I will suggest you from my suggestion to continue with the free web host. Now let's see how you can continue with our free seller hosting. You just need to click here the order now button. Now on this page you have the option to register a domain name, transfer, or use your own domain name. If you don't have any domain name, there is no free domain name with this reseller package. No, nara subdomain name. Okay. If you already have a domain name, I will suggest you to register a domain name at here, so you can manage your domain and hosting at the same place. Okay. But if you have a domain name with any other hosting provider, you can just go for use your own domain name. Then you can paste your domain name like example.com. Then use it, and here you can register free domain name. Now the billing cycle is totally for free for the life. You can add a dedicated IP if you want. It is about $10 per month. If you want to add dedicated IP, but I will not go for dedicated IP. Let's continue. Now on this page, you have to fill up this form. Now I want to add here an option here that please fill up your email address, Gmail address. Okay. If you will continue with your any email address like Hotmail or your custom premium or free email, your account will not be approved, because this is in the terms that we don't allow free Gmail with actually with your web hosting. Okay, free web hosting. At the last, make sure to check Binance Pay manual, and then click on I have read and agree to the terms. Now my suggestion here is to read these terms and then just click checkout. Now when you will check out, your account will be created at Hoist.com. The next step which you have to follow is to open a customer support ticket to the technical department, and they will actually create your account at Hoist.com or allow you activate your plan. Okay, you can activate the plan. Now before that, one more thing I want to add here, that remove our account from the spam folder in your Gmail, and the second is to verify your Gmail address, and then last you have to open a customer support ticket. Now make sure to check out our premium reseller hosting also, and our VPS and domain name reseller. Thank you so much for watching this video.